Hi there, my name is Edgar Augusto Echeverri. I am a student of industrial engineering at the University of Antioquia, and I have to talk about a free topic for English level 5. I'm going to talk about Google Scketchup. Google Scketchup is a free software that is very useful for modeling in 3 dimensions, especially for subjects like engineer of work or plans design in my career. If we want to download the program, we have to type at the browser of our computer Google Scketchup. When you type Google Scketchup, immediately we can find these links, but I prefer to download the program from this address. And in this address we can find, depending of the operative system that you have on your computer, these versions for the program. If you have a Windows or if you have a Mac, you can choose and download the application. Now let's take a look at the program. When you have been installed the program, we can see this window, and you have to click in choose template. In this part, choose template. Here we have to choose if we want to make the model in feet, an inch, and meters, or what you want. I'm going to make a model in meters. I click here and I start using Scketchup. Okay, this is the front end of the program. We can see this axis, and at the top of the screen we can see the tools of the program and the window menus. For example, this tool is for selecting, this is for erasing, this pencil is for drawing lines, this is for drawing arcs, this tool is for figures, figures like rectangles, circles, or polygons. And this tool is for pushing or pulling figures, and these others are for using in the model that we want to design. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to make a rectangle, and I put it here on the ground of the window, of the modeling window. This part of the screen is called modeling window. With the scroll of the mouse, we can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, if we want to know what is the distance between this point and this other point, we can use this tool, and in this part of the screen we can see the length of this selection of the model. Okay, with this rectangle I want to draw a rectangle inside it. If I want to draw a rectangle equidistant inside this rectangle, I can use this tool. Okay, this tool is used to rotate or to orbit by the model or the model. I can rotate it. Okay, we can see that I draw a rectangle with another rectangle inside it. I select this part of this area of the rectangle, and with this tool I pull it up, and I am drawing and I'm designing a model in 3 dimensions. Okay, if I want to make a door, or if I want to put a door inside my model, I select the rectangle tool, and I put the rectangle in on the wall of this structure, and with the pull tool I select it, and I make a hole where I must put a door. Okay, but I want to put a door inside this hole. I go to File menu, and I go to 3D Warehouse, and this I can see Get Models. I click in Get Models, and the software shows me a menu with a base of dates of all the objects that the software has inside. I need a door. I type in this part of the window, I type doors, and I click in search, and these are all the windows that the base of dates has. I select, for example, this tool, and I want to download the door in my project. I click here. I say yes, and I have the door here for putting in the hole. If I want to rotate the door, I can use this tool. This tool is very useful, because with this you can turn in one axis. You can turn the object that you want. Okay, with this tool I can move it, can move the door, and I can put where I want. I move it again, and with this tool, that is the scale, I might select the size of the door that I want to use. Okay, I put the door on the hole. Now I want to build a wall inside this structure. I use again the tool rectangle. I put the rectangle inside the structure, and I select the area for the wall, and with tool I pull it up, and this is the wall for my building. Okay. If I want to make a door in this wall, I use the rectangle. I select the rectangle, and with the push tool I make the door, or the hole for the door. And maybe you can put a door inside this hole, or another kind of door, or what you all the furnitures that you want to put inside, you can download them from the base of dates of the program. Okay, now I want to build um, a roof for my construction. Now with this tool, with the pencil, I can make a line. The tool is very useful because we can find the midpoint of the section that I want to use, and I can draw this line, and I can draw this another line. Okay. Now I have these figures, and with these figures I will make the roof for my building. I select this part, and with this push tool I make the roof. I turn with the spinning tool. I select the other one, or the part of the roof, and this is the way that I can make the roof for the construction. If I want to put some tiles for my roof in Windows, I click in Windows and I select materials. In this window I can find roofing, and these are the kinds of tiles that the system has. For example, I want to use this one, or this. I want to use these tiles, and I can use it for making the tile, the roof. Okay. If I want to draw bricks on the wall of the building, I select brick and cladding, and these are the bricks that I must choose. For example, I am going to use this one, and these are the bricks for my wall. I use it again. I turn the models, and I use it again. I turn the model. Yeah, if I want to put a window in my model, I can use the circle, and I can draw a circle here. If I don't want the circle here, I can select it, and I can move it where I want to put it. And with this tool I can make a window, This program is very easy to use and is very instinctive. It's very instinctive. I want to show some examples of models that I have made. One model for engineering work. This is this file. Excuse me, I find it. Here they are. I don't want to save this file, and if the model has many elements, maybe it turns slowly. Okay, this is an example what we can do with this software. This is a factory that I visited some semesters ago, and look at all what we can do with this application. With this hand I can move the model. I zoom in. I can turn the model. But this software has the possibility for making videos. For example, in this case, I have a file with some scenes that I want to show you. For example, this scene. The camera is moving, and you can make a video for presentations or for what you want. This is a scene. This is another scene. Now we have to answer some questions about my presentation. The first question is, how much money must we pay for using Google Scketchup? The second question is, what is the name of the area of working in Google Scketchup? Question number 3 is it possible to make scenes with the program? Question number 5, what is the function of the scroll of the mouse in Google Scketchup? And the last one is, what happens if I don't have Windows like operative system? Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. See you later.